This is a Fairbanks Morse tombstone radio. That's going to be the next project. You see, it's a pretty good size radio, and it's pretty deep too. So it's got a good sized chassis. And the first step is going to be to take this out of the cabinet, and then we'll take a look and see what we've got. I didn't have any trouble taking the knobs off, and they're all the same, so that's good. Here's the sticker on the inside, and so far I haven't been able to find a model number. And looking at the back of this chassis here, it looks to me like there's a sticker missing, and of course, Murphy's Law being perfect, I'm sure it had the model number on it. I took a few pictures and made note of the tube layout and the number. We've got 5 tubes. The underneath doesn't look too bad, however, somebody has been in it. And here's the drawing I made. And now I'm going to go to the internet and see if I can't find some information. Now that I know the tubes that are in the radio and how many, I'm going to do a search on the name Fairbanks Morse, and it already showed up as the second line. I'm also going to add the tube numbers, and as I do that, the number of hits changes. Hopefully it'll be more accurate. And that looks like that's what's happening this time. 80. Okay, now we got 2 choices. This one says 6 tubes, and the one below it is 5 tubes, so I'm going to click on it. And that looks like the radio. The difference is ours has got 4 knobs, and I believe the difference is ours has a tone switch, but it's the same number of tubes. And looking at that picture of the back, this is the radio. This will definitely help. Now that I've got the model number, I downloaded the wiring diagram and I tested all the coils, and it looked to me like all the IFs, the oscillator coil, and the power transformer were good. Here I have removed the 80 rectifier tube, and I'm going to apply power to this set using the variac and bring it up slowly. All I'm looking for is to see if the pilot light will light, which it looks like it's doing right here. And also I'm looking at the filaments of the tubes, and from looking at it overhead I can see that they are lighting, although you can't see it from this angle. So anyway, that's very good news. It looks like we can work on this radio. I did make a very detailed video on how to test the coils in a radio, and I have supplied a link to that video in the Show More of this video. Thanks for watching.